everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another Yesto video. This one is Yesto Coconut. It's supposed to hydrate and restore your skin, essentially just replenishing, tired, possibly dry skin. I love the joke, going cuckoo for coconut. They always have super funny jokes on here. I don't know. I always love the jokes on the front. I don't know if you've ever noticed, but like sometimes they throw in a few. And this one is pretty much all natural, 96% natural ingredients. That's why I love Yesto tomatoes. They're always super, for the most part, natural, and they always work because guess what? They're natural. So I'm going to go wash my face and do my morning routine, and I'll be right back and show you the magic of the Yesto. I'm finally done with my shower. I think you can probably tell based on the wrap around my head. I look crazy, but anyway, it's okay. You gotta protect the hair, right? Let's open up this mask and let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay, well, it took a while to set up. You're basically in CasualBarehn or Jay's closet because I had to like prop up everything, and this is where I can do it, okay? Hands free. Hands free. Anyway, I'm going to open up the mask, and I already cleaned my face. So let's see what's inside here. Right off the bat, when I open it, like this aroma comes out of the package. A very like tropical coconut scent. Very nice and light, not super harsh or fake. Doesn't smell like some of the fake stuff that's out there. And as always, you get a paper mask inside. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is right here. Yeah, right here. Stuck to the side of the package. And I want to give a special shout out to Yesto. The company actually liked my Instagram post, and I couldn't believe it for the last video. So I just want to say, like, I super appreciate them, like, noticing me and like just recognizing my post. Like, I don't even know what to say, but like I'm excited that they liked my post. So huge shout out to them. Like, it makes me want to use like even more of their products, and I'm super excited because they have a coffee mask coming out, or unless it's already out, but I'm going to find it and try it out on here. And I also found some DIY masks, so I can incorporate some like vegetable products or fruit products into their mask and like see like what works and what doesn't. Like, I think that'll be a fun little project to do some DIY masks on here. Huge shout out to Yesto. I love you. The video is not sponsored. I'm just like giving a little shout out, showing some love. And like, I'm not even a beauty influencer, I don't know, but like, I'm just here making videos. I just use what I like and want to try new things and products. So super exciting that someone like a company like that acknowledged my existence, so that's super exciting to me. So yeah, here's the face mask right here. I don't know why they always make it super large. Like, this never fits my face. Did I already rip it? No, I didn't. Can you make a mask like in various different face sizes? Like small, medium, and large? Like, this could be the largest and then go down from there, because sometimes these are hard to put on, okay? I'm just saying. So I'm already feeling like I'm messing it up, but we'll see. Like, how am I supposed to... I don't know my eye-nose ratio, apparently. I have a little mirror right here. Oh god. I look like a creature of some sort. Yeah, these never fit properly. Like, I wish they would, though. Like, you always want to use the excess product, like, around here, and then, like, just rub it on your neck, like so. Oh, jeez. I believe you leave it on for 10 minutes. Make sure you get the excess product and rub it, you know, on your décolleté if you want, but I'm not really doing that right now. Just neck and face, but if you want to, you can rub it down here as well. So, I'm going to marinate for 10 minutes and then I'll come back and show you the final outcome of this amazing mask. It says if it's tingling, it's working, so it is definitely working, I must say. I can feel the tingles around me. Like, there is a sensation. It's just like, it's not burning, it's just like a different feeling. You don't have to really worry about it because it's on the package, so it's working. Time is up for the mask, and let me tell you this, like, seriously, I was in front of the air conditioner for like a little bit, and you know what, it kind of has like a collagen effect. Sitting in front of the air conditioner getting cooled off a little bit made my face go like whoosh. Let's see here. I think some of it dried because of the air conditioning, but it's not as gooey as it usually is when it comes off. So the fan actually, like, you know, penetrated the product, I think. I feel like it's not so gooey as it usually is. Like, it's more, you know, lotion-y kind of base. Like, you can feel the difference from, like, right here and then, like, where the fan air conditioning was. So, gooey, and it's, like, messing up my hair. I just did my hair last night, okay? So you want to, like, pat it in. Don't, like, massage it too much. Don't go, like, all these motions and tug at your skin. Just gently pat it. I think I have to take this thing off. I know I look like a disaster. This thing is just in the way. Just pat it. If you have bangs, it sucks for you. The struggle is real with bangs and mask. But gotta make it work somehow. So you just want to pat it in like so. Kind of feels like a little tacky, but it's okay. Gently go around the eyes. No pressure, no pressure, just gentle pats. Just pressing the product into your skin and making sure that's penetrated. I think my face is done. So I'll be back. I'm going to go tone and put the moisturizer on, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. My final thoughts on the Yesto coconut hydrating mask is that it works. Like, I'm guessing my skin was dehydrated after all, so apparently I needed this mask. I feel like the product penetrated into my skin and helped, like, nourish it. Like, I feel, like, nourished, and usually that doesn't really happen with, like, a lot of other masks that are out there on the market. So yeah, this one is definitely what it says. It really does hydrate and restore. That's why I love Yesto. This product is super amazing. I recommend you trying out all of the other Yesto products, and I will, like I mentioned, try some of the new products that have came out or already have came out and do, like, fun little videos with those. So be sure to subscribe and notifications on, ding dong, and you'll be notified when I post those videos and post new ones every Wednesday and Saturday. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And as always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.